In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide completed tasks in Notion, step by step, so your workspace stays clean, focused, and distraction-free. If you're using Notion for task management, to-do lists, or project tracking, this is one of the most important setups you can learn. Hiding completed tasks helps you focus only on what actually needs to be done without deleting any information. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if you find this helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the Notion page where you want to manage your tasks. This can be a personal to-do list, a project tracker, or any workspace where tasks are stored. Once you're on the page, click into an empty area and type /database. From the menu that appears, choose Database Full Page. This will create a full-page database where we can properly manage and filter tasks. Now that the database is created, start adding a few pages. These pages will represent your tasks. You can name them anything you want, like Task 1, Task 2, or real tasks you're currently working on. Add a few items so you can clearly see how the filter works later. Next, we need a way to mark tasks as completed. To do that, look at the top of your table and click on Add Property. From the Property Type options, select Checkbox. This checkbox will act as your completion status. After adding it, you can rename the property to something like Completed or Done so it's easy to understand. Once the checkbox property is set up, you'll see a checkbox next to every task. Go ahead and tick one of them to mark it as completed. For now, you'll notice that completed tasks are still visible, and that's exactly what we're about to fix. Now, make sure your database is in Table View. At the top right of the table, click on Filter. In the Filter menu, choose the checkbox property you just created, then set the condition to Unchecked. This tells Notion to only show tasks that are not completed. As soon as you apply this filter, any task with a checkbox will disappear from the view. Don't worry, the tasks aren't deleted, they're just hidden. If you ever want to see completed tasks again, you can simply remove or adjust the filter. To test this, try checking and unchecking tasks in the checkbox column. When you tick the checkbox, the task will instantly disappear from the list. When you untick it, the task will reappear. This is the easiest and cleanest way to hide completed tasks in Notion while keeping all your data safe. This setup works great for daily to-do lists, long-term projects, and even shared team databases. You can also duplicate this view later if you want one view that shows everything and another that hides completed tasks. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Notion database to hide completed tasks automatically. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Notion and productivity guides, and let me know in the comments what Notion feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.